Okay, y'all, thanks to you, we're gonna go try to pick up some water here at Walmart. I don't know if they're gonna have any or not. So, it's like they're hard capping us at 5 cases. It's all right. Ooh, whoa, hold up. Yeah, score number 2. They probably don't have any though, honestly. Oh, it's locksmith / water delivery day here at SE Lock and Key. We're gonna get all this over to Animal Rescue Fund so that they have some water for their employees and backup water. Should have a tanker coming in mid-afternoon today, but in the meantime, their employees still go through about a case of water every single day. Been doing this for the last 30-ish days. I don't know how much stockpile they've got on hand, but we are gonna add to it. Have to go get this unloaded and then all my stuff put back in so that I can actually go function today and you know, pay for bills and all that other stuff. So there we go. There's some hiding over here too. All right, y'all, we are here at ARF getting the water unloaded that y'all donated. Appreciate that. And nobody's here to be able to help move it in, so I'm just gonna stack it out here for right now. And I also have to fix one of their door locks that's getting old and decrepit. So thanks again to everybody on YouTube here who has donated to them. They certainly appreciate it. Hopefully they're gonna have a bigger tanker truck coming in for the dogs. They just got this one for food, and then some of these have food in them too, and we've padlocked them all up so that those are secure. But anyway, Animal Rescue Fund of Mississippi, arfms.org. Appreciate it again, all y'all who have donated. This water will certainly come in handy. And yeah. Hey, all right, they'll get some of their guys to put these up later. For now, we're done. Actually, I should say for now, we're done on that. Now I'm gonna go replace the front door lock because it's getting kind of old and beat up. So thanks again, y'all, for donating to the cause. They certainly appreciate it. And, we'll just, again, keep your fingers crossed that the water gets back to normal so they don't have to invest money and time into moving this stuff around. You can definitely tell when there's issues in the area. When it's 5:30, there's nobody on the strip. Normally, this would be lined with cars, but because of the water thing, all the restaurants are closed, so nobody's out. They've actually brought in their own water tank over here, but because of the issues, a lot of people just assume the restaurants are closed, even when they go to great strides to service customers. And at some point, there's a line that has to be drawn, because they're spending X amount of money to keep the grills fired up, have all the food prepped, pay all the employees, versus what their business ends up being, and being 5:45 now in an empty parking lot. That means that they are not breaking even, and it's not worth the time The governor just posted a thing saying that they got an emergency rental pump in for the pumps for the water thing. A rental pump. A rental. Listen, a rental pump. They rented a pump. Like what companies, I guess, like you're thinking massive scale, you know, like this big pump. Like what company has a rental pump for, oh, they got a customer. They got a 4-top right there. Yay, that's a little bit of money. What company has a rental pump just sitting around ready to be rented to a city for pumping their water? Today's show came by because of the whole Twitter picture of that water that we did in the video yesterday.
Yeah, so this is for the Today Show. So this if anything, this will help get more resources.
I don't do interviews. I'm camera shy, so actually it's not that. I'm edit shy. I don't like doing videos that I don't have control over. So my response to them is, sure I will, but I got to edit it for you. And they're like, huh? So I don't like how news spins things. So I could have been on the Today Show, but I don't do that type of thing. Anyway, just signing off for the day. Once again, keeping y'all updated on what's going on. I guess they're putting in a rental pump. We have not had any water all day. I was trying to get out of here at 4 o'clock. I said I was going to get out of here at 4 o'clock. Yesterday we had a trickle, which was enough to keep the toilet filled up. Today we haven't, so we have not been able to use the toilet, and that makes for a very miserable day. So yeah, I'm out of here now. 5:45, pretty much my normal time. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully there'll be enough water. I heard my water heater gurgling, which typically means some water's doing something in there. But nothing, not even a drip. And that's why the Today Show people wanted me to do an interview. They wanted to actually go film my faucet. Can we film your faucet? Like, no. We're having an interview. No. So, anyway, that's it. I got that water delivered to ARF. They had a tanker come in. I hadn't been back over there because I had to get my truck reloaded with all my stuff. They got a tank for the dogs, apparently, for the dog water. And it seems like they have enough water to hold them over for a couple of weeks for their employees and for other incidental stuff where they do need bottled water. So thanks again for everybody who donated towards that. We've had more messages reach out. I did post their PayPal link in the description of the video. And if anything else pops up, like I put in a new handle for them on the door while I was there. I've been meaning to do that for the past couple of months. I went over there about a month ago and put in a deadbolt on their back door of their warehouse. But they needed a new front door lever. Their door, actually they need a whole new door because the door literally is falling apart. So I've got to get in with one of my door guys to do that, and I'll probably pay him directly for him to just go over and put a new steel door with, you know, like a big window in it. I'll probably just pay him directly. This front door, it's like the main door that people come in and out and they take dogs in and out, and it's literally rusting apart and falling apart. So that'll probably be my next project. I hadn't texted her since this morning. I was hoping to get a video of her thanking y'all because she would love to do that, but she's out doing other stuff. She has a full-time job as well as being in charge of the shelter, and she just wasn't there when I was there. If I would have been able to wait another hour, I probably could have caught her there, but we'll try to get her on video one day. I'm actually trying to get her to start a YouTube channel for the rescue, and I've already offered to do some editing, some video editing for her first, 1 or 2 or 3 videos, because I told her they have such crazy things go on where people are like dropping dogs off at gates, and every so often they post to a YouTube channel, but it's not the shelter's YouTube channel. And I'm like, listen, you really need to. There's a lot of rescues on YouTube who have a lot of subscribers who want to see puppies and want to be able to help like you guys did. So that's what I'm working on. And when I do get her a channel up and a couple of videos made, I'm going to go ahead and announce it here, and I'm going to hope that y'all will subscribe to her so that she can get her numbers up and start getting the donations and funding in, extra funding from YouTube as well. So that'll be good for them. But you know, she's so busy doing stuff, and then I'm already so busy doing stuff. That's just one of those things that I've been hassling her for a while now to do. But we are going to get her set up with a YouTube channel and get her a couple of starter videos up and get her some subscribers going. So when that happens, I'll put out a call on this channel, and those of you who are into dog rescue and say, look, but bro, there's nobody here. Why are you pulling up here? Like, you know, don't take my spot. I don't care. I'm leaving. Don't take my spot. Anyway, thanks again, y'all, for the donations, and we'll catch you next time. I'll keep y'all up to date. That's what I get. I could have left, and now I've got a customer.